Folks, I'm in shock. I need to drink some water. I cannot believe it on this unit. We are crazy. We're selling this brand new 2025 Bullet 2640 BH. So, to make story short, 26-foot bunk house for $28.99. Fiberglass, aluminum frame. This is not corrugated. This is not metal siding. This is not wood frame. Look, wildwood, we sell them. Even us, we sell them. They cost more. Gray wool, 26 DBH costs more. Imagine, costs more. Solid, all of them. Jayco costs more. J Feather costs more. Apex, Rockwood, Cushman, any brand. 26 bunk house, fiberglass, aluminum frame, big slide, double over double, rear bath, lot of storage. Power jack, look. It's a power stabilizer jack, not a manual. Fiberglass aluminum frame. Look, pass-through storage. Look over here, all aluminum frame. You have big power LED lights. Extended season camping. So that's mean enclosed underbelly. Heated. And 220 watt solar panel. Come look over here. TV mount bracket for outside. Big storage. You can put anything you want. If you want to put a fridge, you can. There's a plug. You want to put your own barbecue, toys, you name it. Amazing. I'm in shock. Just a sec. I need to drink some more water. I could not believe this deal. We are not here at Best RV. We're selling you prices no one could match. Spare tires, backup camera prep, Sani flush kit. Look over here, Sani flush, show them. Power awning, big slide, endless hot water heater, tankless hot water heater, endless. Okay, people come, look, solar prep. It's not prep and come with solar, 200 watts. Go back here, show them on the roof. 220 watt solar, that's silver piece. That's a big solar, come with it. Show me for $28.99 you're gonna get this deal. I don't care what brand you're talking about. Where in the East Coast, West Coast, you name it. Beautiful LED light in the front. All this white here and this white. It's a nice, beautiful LED in the front. At night, you should see it. Coming in, let me show you the deal on the 2640 bunkhouse Bullet. Brand new 25 loaded aluminum frame, fiberglass. Coming in to see the deal so you could appreciate it. So you can drive from anywhere to give this deal only at Best RV. $28.99. All this, $28.99. You have a nice TV, nice jackknife sofa. I could sit facing the TV. A beautiful kitchen. Look this handwork. Look, show them this. Beautiful cabinet. Nice counter space. One-piece sink. 3-burner range. Oven. I call this cooking pan doors. Nice, beautiful microwave. A hood. And then you have the 11 cubic foot reefer. Full bolt. Look, it's cold. I feel the cold. And big pantry with shelves, more storage. Nice dinette bench over here. U-shaped dinette. U-shape. I could see the TV from here. Storage underneath from here. And then you come over here. Double over double. You sleep 2 on the top, 2 at the bottom. You tell me you need a place for toys? I have a place for toys. Come over here, look. Look, all this storage. You can put bicycles, whatever you want. Double over double, U-shaped dinette, full walk-around bed. Beautiful air conditioning, 50 amp service. This unit, if you're in Arizona and you say I want 2 AC, it's already prepped for you. Look, prepped for you. And all for $28.99. We're crazy. We're not at Best RV to have this deal. We work hard. It took me a year working the manufacturer to make this special unit for you at a special price, $28.99. Look, all the bees, the 2 bees, bullets. Nice slide out, Trisha. Air condition, bigger one, it's already prepped for second. Ducted heaters, bigger fridge, bigger, all the stuff, all of this stuff. Oh my God, I cannot believe it. And you come over here, nice full queen 60 by 80, storage on both sides, inverter prep. Look at it, all these yellow stickers on the plug. TV in the bedroom. I could put a second TV in the bedroom if I want. I mean, very open. And then come over here, look at the bathroom. Look. I could stand in the bathroom, shower surround, protect my walls. Nice sink, toilet, all this. For only $28.99. I need to take my breath. I take my breath because we're shocked. When they told me today I need to go on YouTube and all these social media and talk about the brand new 2025 Bullet, Keystone Bullet 2640 bunkhouse, only for $28.99. I say, are you guys ready? I mean, we used to sell the 32, 34, 35. We used to sell Aspen Trails, Coleman, Grey Wolf, any brand. When you talk about 26 foot with a slide, aluminum frame, fiberglass with power jet, I don't care what brand you talk about, they're all more than 30,000. Why this unit at $28.99? Because Best RV Management and Ownership bought hundreds of these ones, and all that saving pass it to you. So come get it from Best RV. Best RV is the deal. You want a nice bunk house? You want a nice bunk fiberglass unit? You want family fun? Come to Best RV and get this unit, the brand new Bullet 260.